Sometimes you just go down to the barnyard and everybody's talking. There's just noises everywhere. We got the geese and ducks talking up a storm. Do you hear those guinea hens? Everybody's trying to stay warm. For those of you that don't have guinea hens, that's the sound they make. They're almost like an alarm system. If there's ever a problem, they all start chirping. Now they're trying to out-talk each other. Like who can chirp the loudest? Yeah, that's right. I hear you. And this guy just follows us everywhere we go. Yes, I know. Oh my goodness. The many sounds of our barnyard.